guys, I'm taking you guys in the back over here where they have a lot of boats and other things like that too. So let them go. All right, so look at these beautiful houses right here, mansions. But a lot of people keep their boats right here. This is one of my favorite places to go down, because one is next to the marina. It's just beautiful as houses. Like, look at that. It's all quiet, privacy back here. Like, there's literally nothing better than it. Let me open up the window for you guys so you get a better view. It's beautiful. Taking you guys along the marina real quick. Yeah, it's beautiful here, man. For anyone who's never been here in Palm Beach, they don't really talk about back here, but people who've been here before know, like, back here, if you live back here, you got some type of money. You know? Some type of money. So it's the perfect spot to like walk, ride your bike. It's literally perfect. I'm not gonna make this a whole POV video, you know, usually like 10, 15, 20 minutes long. But I really did it just so I could show you guys how it is here. And a ton of people fish over here. I think you just need like some permit and then you're good to go. Yeah, nice spot to fish. Beautiful boat right there, look at that. Beautiful boat. So yeah, it's gorgeous over here. I just wanted to show you guys, if you're ever in Palm Beach, West Palm Beach, whatever, just go to South Flagler Drive. It's gorgeous. So it's nothing but cops on this bridge. They're always patrolling. So I'm gonna just end the video here, guys. But I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please make sure to give this video a big like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.